Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 24 and 25. But that action which is done by one longing for desires or gain, done with egoism or with much effort, is declared to be Rajsika, passionate.
Chapter 18, Shloka 24. Yattu kamepsuna karma sahankarena va punah kriyate bahulayasam tadrajasam udahritam.
That action which is undertaken from delusion without regard for the consequence, loss, injury, and ability is declared to be tamsika, dull.
Chapter 18, Shloka 25. Anubandham kshayam himsam anapekshya cha paurusham mohat arabhyate karma yattattamasam uchyate.
Chapter 18, Shloka 24 and 25. What is Rajasic action? The action of the passionate Rajasic is that which is done with the I am the doer mentality to satisfy his selfish desires. It involves a lot of strain and causes mental fatigue and physical exhaustion. It is highly egocentric and the actor is anxious because of fear about the completion of the work. He is restless and causes his own downfall. Such actions belong to the category of the passionate Rajasic. Political leaders, social workers, great industrialists, and over anxious parents are typical examples. Shloka 25. The characteristic features of actions of the dull type are described. They are performed without any consideration for the consequences thereof, for loss of power or of vitality. Such actors never care for harm to others by their actions and are performed without looking at their status or ability. All such careless and irresponsible actions done because of the delusory misconception about the goal of life are tamasic in nature. Habits of gambling, drinking, corruption are typical examples of the dull tamasic actions. To satisfy some temporary joy of sense gratification, they not only harm themselves but those who are dependent on them. These type of actions provide the performer a lot of sorrow. The Rajasic actions have a longer time to bring their quota of disappointments and sorrows, while the Sattvic action is always steady and blissful. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.